Yo, what's going on? So I just took the emissions test. Boy, was I scared. Y'all know how I got like all those lights on? Like, alright, so ABS, it's got this little triangle thing on here, and there's this yellow brake light. So that's when my ABS system went out. I never fixed it, and plus since I modified the car, I haven't gotten a test since. The last test I took was about 2 years ago, and I didn't do anything to the car except maybe, what did I do to the car? The wheels, I think I did it like 2 years ago. But after that, I just been modding the car heavy. So now, today was the time to go to take this emissions test. And look at this. Pass. Finally passed. Now I can keep it moving, do other stuff to it, and start making some more cool videos. But yeah, that was super scary. I was like, damn. He got up, he started looking at me. He was like, I don't think you gonna pass. I'm like, damn, for real? Nah, you just playing with me. But yeah, I passed. So time for some more videos. I ain't made a video. It's been like a week since the last video I made. I'm still here. No, this weather in Chicago though, it's been crazy. Snowing, rain, like non-stop, not even joking. Oh shit. I'm gonna give y'all a little sample. It's been a minute. Hold on, check this out. It's been a minute since I made these type of videos. But yeah, I'm about to go to this gas station real quick. I'm on E. This car, so I get like 9 to 10 miles a gallon with this car. It's crazy. 9 to 10 gallons. And that's the city. On the highway, I might get lucky and get around like 12, 13. But that's pushing it. But I guess people don't care about the gas and all that. Oh, damn. This person just cut me off. Just blew me. I feel like I got road rage because that, man. Oh, shit. But yeah, what was I saying, man? It made me lose my train of thought. Oh, yeah, I get like 9 to 10 gallons in the city. On the highway, I get like 12, 13. Yeah, but I mean, I don't care. I don't mind. It's when you get this car, you don't really worry about like the miles. It's like miles per gallon, I guess you could say. But yeah, I've been having fun with this car. No joke. Oh my god, what the fuck is he doing? Some people cannot drive, like no joke. That just, man, he can't drive at all. That's crazy. But yep, like I said, I'm headed to this gas station. Gonna get some gas real quick. Actually, y'all haven't seen me drive in a while, so I'm about to change the camera. Y'all just check it out, chill, see what I'm doing, whatever. Write some comments below, you know. Oh, subscribe too, because this upcoming week is a car meet, and I'm gonna be there, so you guys gotta check it out. Get notified of what's all going down. Seriously. All right, check out my driving. Yo, so I know I said I was gonna drive, but I never took a full video of the car. So it's the outside. I try to keep the inside clean. The mask comes with me wherever I go. This the front. Back. I really try to keep it clean. That's the radar. Now, I don't think you guys ever seen the trunk. Bam. Focus. Bam. So, get sound inside and out. All my cleaning supplies. I stay with cleaning supplies. Oh, man. Hella towels up in here. This bag is full of towels. Almost every day I am at the car wash. Like, no joke. From this side, not bad. It's not bad. Final door. This is the E60 M5. It says I have like, if you can see it, if it focus, 205 miles. Not at all. When I'm finished driving, I might get like 150 at the most. Well, that's that. I'm trying to see what else I can show you guys. That is all. All right, I'm gonna go. Subscribe, don't forget. Peace.